Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backyard soccer goals that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable soccer goal for practice, gameplay, or family fun, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Muroza Kids Soccer Goals, a complete set that offers an excellent introduction to soccer for kids of all ages. This set includes 2 4x3 portable pop-up soccer goals, a size 3 soccer ball, cones, ground stakes, and a carrying bag for easy portability. The inclusion of training accessories like cones makes it ideal for honing soccer skills while encouraging outdoor play. The durable Oxford fabric, fiberglass poles, and reinforced polyester net ensure it can handle hours of backyard fun. In terms of build quality, the Muroza soccer goal is lightweight, yet sturdy, making it easy for kids to assemble and transport. The foldable design and carrying bag allow you to take it to the park, beach, or community playground effortlessly. However, the design might feel a bit smaller for older kids or those looking for more advanced training setups. Performance-wise, the net is reliable and can withstand moderate shots, but it might struggle with higher intensity play. Overall, this set is a great value for younger kids or families just starting their soccer journey. It's perfect for casual games and skill-building drills. Pros include the full kit of accessories, portability, and durability for its price range. On the downside, it lacks the sturdiness or size needed for older players or competitive practice sessions. At number 4, we have the Wovu Kids Soccer Goals, a set of 2 larger 6x4 feet goals that are perfect for backyard games and training. This set is designed for kids aged 3 to 14 and comes with a target practice attachment, cones, ground stakes, a soccer ball, and a pump, making it one of the most comprehensive kits in this lineup. The 3-layer Dacron net, thickened Oxford cloth, and fiberglass poles ensure durability while maintaining portability. The standout feature here is the detachable soccer goal target, which allows kids to practice shooting accuracy using 5 different target zones. This makes it ideal for skill development and fun competitive drills. Assembly is straightforward thanks to clear instructions and user-friendly components. Performance-wise, these goals are highly stable due to the included stakes, even during intense gameplay. However, the larger size may require more backyard space compared to smaller options. If you're looking for a set that can grow with your child and provide endless entertainment, the Wovu soccer goals are a solid choice. Pros include their sturdy construction, large size, and the bonus training accessories like the target practice attachment. On the downside, the larger dimensions might not suit homes with limited backyard space. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Bearewell Kids Soccer Goal Set. This set is packed with value, featuring 2 4x3 portable soccer goals, a size 3 soccer ball, agility ladder, cones, training targets, and a carrying bag. Designed for kids aged 3 to 12, this comprehensive kit is perfect for developing ball control, agility, and shooting accuracy. The knotted polyethylene netting and robust Oxford fabric make it highly durable, so parents won't have to worry about wear and tear. The Bearewell soccer goals stand out for their ease of assembly, which takes just 5 minutes without special tools. The fiberglass rods and metal ground stakes provide excellent stability during play. Performance-wise, these goals are suitable for training drills and casual matches, but they might feel a bit small for older kids or more advanced players. The inclusion of training accessories like the ladder and cones makes this set especially appealing for soccer enthusiasts looking to improve their skills. If you're looking for a versatile soccer goal set with plenty of extras, Bearewell delivers great value. Pros include its durability, ease of assembly, and bonus accessories. Cons include its smaller size compared to other options and the lack of portability for larger spaces. In 2nd place, we have the Duet Portable Soccer Goals, a set of 2 4x3 trapezoidal goals perfect for backyard soccer. These orange pop-up goals come with ground spikes and a carrying bag, making them ideal for quick setup and portability. The trapezoidal design adds extra stability compared to traditional shapes, while the fiberglass rods and Oxford cloth provide a lightweight yet durable construction. What sets Thayer's Duet apart is its focus on simplicity and practicality. These goals are incredibly easy to assemble and pack away, making them perfect for families on the go. Performance-wise, they're great for casual gameplay and practice, but might not hold up to intense shots or rough handling due to their lightweight build. The compact size is ideal for younger kids, but may feel limiting for older players. If you're looking for a reliable and portable option for backyard play, the Thayer's Duet soccer goals are a fantastic choice. Pros include their unique design, ease of use, and portability. Cons include the smaller size and less durability compared to heavier-duty options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Franklin Sports Blackhawk Backyard Soccer Goal. This is the ultimate option for players of all ages, combining portability, durability, and performance. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass frame and all-weather netting, this 4x3-foot goal is built to last season after season. It includes tie-down ground stakes for enhanced stability and comes with a carrying bag for effortless transportation. The Franklin Sports Blackhawk goal excels in versatility, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're practicing shots, playing short-sighted games, or just having fun in the backyard, this goal is up to the task. The compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces, and the optic yellow color ensures high visibility during gameplay. Performance-wise, it handles hard shots with ease and remains stable even in windy conditions. For its price point of $24.97, the Franklin Sports Blackhawk offers unbeatable value. Pros include its durable construction, portability, and excellent performance for both youth and adults. The only downside is its smaller size, which may not be suitable for full-scale matches. Overall, this is the best backyard soccer goal for families looking for quality and affordability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.